Okay, here's what to do if you have a sole delamination. You just need 2 pieces of equipment, a little plastic toothpick, and a clamp. So here's a boot I just did. You can see there's a delamination in this area. Not the prettiest job, but the 2 pieces are now stuck together. So let's do the same thing here. So the key is to get the Shoe Goo as deep as you can get it in this crack. But at the same time, you don't need to overdo it because it's going to squeeze out when you clamp down. So maybe I'll get another dab and call it a day. Okay, so let's see what happens when I squeeze it together. You can see the material squeezing out. It's going to take a rag, wipe it off like that. You can see it's opening up here as well. It was another issue, but I'm going to have to do it on the second pass. So you let it dry overnight, and you're good to go unless you have to do more, like I said, like I'm going to have to do here.